Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors, providing an extra edge to short sellers. The super trend indicator maintains a negative bias in the daily time frame chart. Despite a lower low formation in price action, the RSI indicator slope maintains its low at 40%. This indicates weakness in selling momentum, bolstering buyers to wrest control from them. Resistance level, $2.83, $3.48 support level, $2.4, $2 in second use. Web3 hackers are getting smarter. Here's how to stay safe. The evolution of technology means that even the internet itself will continue to evolve. From Web 1.0 to Web 2.0, we are now just getting started on the next iteration of the internet, Web 3.0. But even in its development stages, Web 3 already has some security challenges that hackers are taking advantage of. Read on to hear about some of the latest Web 3 hacking horror stories, and to learn how to stay safe in the coming Web 3.0 era. Web3 hacks are becoming more sophisticated, while the decentralized applications, dApps, we can access now are already somewhat Web3. We aren't really in a Web3 version of the internet yet. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done before Web3 becomes fully functional. Security is arguably the biggest challenge, as regular media reports of Web3 hacks highlight. Web3 can only be successful if the current security challenges are solved, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal user funds. A recent Twitter thread shared by Thomas, the founder of Arrow, a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, working to build open-source vertical takeoff and landing airplane, VTOL, aircraft and air taxi protocol, who almost lost all his Ethereum, ETH, in what he called a social engineering scam, shows how Web3 scams are perpetrated. It started with a user called Hackshine who reached out to Thomas.eth on Discord, showing their interest in Arrow and offering to help. Hackshine then introduced Thomas to Lin, who is said to be passionate about VTOLs and working on a metaverse project. After multiple exchanges, Lin then mentioned that they launched their staking app and offered to send Thomas.eth 2 different non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Things then got tricky because while Thomas asked to have the NFT sent to his hot wallet, Lin wanted to send it to his primary wallet. When Thomas asked to read through the contract before the NFT were sent to his main wallet, Lin started getting pushy. Thomas then realized that the tokens he approved were not Armstrong ETH, but rather OV's ETH, and that on his main address, almost all of his ETH was sitting in OV. His saving grace was that he had opted to move the NFT to a new ETH address. News. Luxury brands joined Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week this past weekend. Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual runways. Organized the first public Metaverse play from the former Disney CEO, who served as the chief executive from 2005 to 2020. Iger stepped down as chairman last year. Meanwhile, Genie's co-founder and CEO Kash Nigam said, "We believe that avatar ecosystems are going to be the mobile apps of Web3. An ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality." Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the Met. Recently, Dolce & Gabbana sold a series of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for about $6 million as part of another collection co-created with UNXT. D&G's next step into the metaverse is the launch of the Family NFT community, which intends to give members exclusive access to physical and digital drops and wearables. Family holders will receive airdrops from this MVFW collection. Metaverse Mania, with the world's first virtual beer and an apparent app at all the action going on in the metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, Heineken invited several real journalists to witness the launch of its fake beer, later adding that guests received a treat of pixelated lobster and caviar at the launch event. According to the Bring Giant, the whole idea behind the virtual beer is to poke fun at us and many other brands that have jumped on the metaverse bandwagon. Describing the ingredients in Heineken Silver, the company said it is made out of the freshest pixels, no mold, no hops, no yeast, no water, and also, no beer. While having a virtual beer may come in handy in a gaming environment, Heineken believes that certain things are best enjoyed in real life, and brews are definitely one of them. Although Heineken has slammed its product with the title of the world's first metaverse beer, this is not the first time a beer manufacturer has entered the space. Miller Lite holds the honor of creating the first beer on the metaverse, having opened its Meta Lite bar last month. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users in advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.